How to fix local security policy missing in Windows. 1. Install local security policy using command prompt. Commands, for %fn, %system root %\servicing \packages \Microsoft Windows group Alyssa client tools package start.mum. Do, dism/online/no or start /add package %f, for %fn, %system root %servicing \packages \Microsoft Windows group Alyssa client tech tensions package start.mum. Do, dism/online/no or start /add package %f, restart your PC later. 2. Download and run gpedit enabler. 3. Upgrade from Windows Home to Pro, Professional, or Education, if you can.